get your reaction dito sa meet and greet na kami tapo.
Grabe, sobrang we didn't expect that many people and I'm sure marami pang kaming gustong i-meet sana, bitin yung oras talaga na nakuha namin with them, pero sobrang nagpapasalamat kami sa lahat ng suporta sa Alas Pilipinas, both men's and women's team.
Yeah, kamusta naman yung preparation niyo for Challenger?
Well, we're doing our best to prepare well kasi ngayon medyo sure naman po na get namang makakalaban namin. So we've seen them play in person during the ABC and yeah, araw-araw we're just taking it a day at a time, taking advantage of yung preparation namin this time compared nung before ABC. So hopefully, better results din.
Ano lang masabi mo sa audition nila, Bella, Alyssa, at saka ni Gemma?
We're grateful na reinforce pa kami lalo kasi we had a very good lineup ng ABC and we're welcoming every help that we can get. So, grabe rin yung experience ng tatlo and we're hoping na madagdagan pa kami para in the long run, mas malalim po yung bench.